Chris from CS Fabrication. We're up in East Tamaki, Auckland. There's a team of 3. And we do a jobbing shop, a lot of stainless work, do a lot of food industry, whatever they throw at us, we do. So I've got the 3 200 DC TIGs, a AC/DC single phase, the 5,000 kilowatt laser welder, and the 400 AC/DC. As I sort of thought, the longer we've got it, the more jobs we find it has uses for. So it's turns into a confidence thing for the guys. More time they have on the gun, like any welding, they start realizing this is a bit of a weapon. Literally, rip the plastic off, tack it up, set it up in the jig that we had to do, pre-stress it, weld it, and then you'd wait for it to cool down, polish it, and to get that final piece, or otherwise with the laser, we literally just clamp it together. We don't even tack it now. Stick the purge in, run it down, and we're done. And that's sub 1 out, including cleanup. I'd say complements it, because it doesn't replace the TIG, doesn't replace the MIG, but it complements the pair of them. It can fill all these in-between parts, which you didn't even know it could do. The part where I hired it at the start to see if I could play with it and tune to see what I thought it could do. And it did. And it turned a particular part we were doing into about a 3-hour process from start to finish to about an hour a piece. And when there's 20 of them or more in one job, it just carved up the hours. So I got that to do all the heavy alley for the punch, for the penetration and everything. I've set it up to do our day-to-day, and that's like the home-based machine and all the little ones we can take out on site. So we use it for everything. I mean, they're a great little machine. I get fussy on the start, HF start on the machines, and they were crisp as. I played with a few of them. And the settings, if you want to dive into it, you can lose yourself, but that there is simple, set the thickness, you can adjust the width, and away you go. Then everything's interchangeable, so it's easy to carry one brand.